everyone, and welcome to the Mushroom Den. So today I'm bringing you my recipe for vegan seared scallops. All you need is just a few ingredients, 15 minutes of your time, and you'll be blown away. So to make our scallops, we're going to need some king oysters mushrooms. And the first thing I'm going to do is remove the little ends off. Just because of the way they point out, I want to make sure I have pieces of approximately the same shape and size. So here I'm trying to get pieces of about 1 to 1.5 inch each, so I keep the top of my mushroom for other recipes. So here my scallops are ready to be cooked, and I'm going to place a pan on medium heat, add in some oil. Here I'm going for olive oil, and just add all my scallops. Let's make sure the oil is well distributed. Adding in some salt and pepper. So I think I can do with a bit more oil here. So once they're golden brown, you want to make sure you flip them. They should look like this. Just keep on checking the other side to make sure you get that beautiful golden brown color. And once it's done, you can remove it from the pan. Then add in some vegan butter. A good amount of minced garlic that you're gonna let cook in that butter. Then add in some basil. And again, let it cook for about a minute. Just make sure you're on medium-low at this point. Then add in some white wine and some lemon juice. A bit more salt and pepper. So let everything cook for about 2 minutes so that the wine can cook on its own. Then go ahead and add back your scallops. As everything is cooking, make sure your scallops are bathing in this delicious wine juice. Let the liquid evaporate for another 2 minutes or so, and it's ready. So you have a very restaurant-style vegan seared scallops. The king oyster mushrooms has an amazing texture, and the mixture of wine and lemon juice and garlic and basil just gives an amazing explosive taste. You can serve this as it is, as an appetizer, or on a bed of rice, pasta, potatoes. Really, the possibilities are endless. So I really hope you like this recipe, and more than that, I hope you try it. It only takes 15 minutes to make, so what's your excuse? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment, and on to the next video. As always, have a blessed one.